technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty has witnessed a volatile trading session today, and it has ultimately ended the day on a positive note. During the day, we saw resistance for the Nifty at around 8500 on the upside. On the downside, 8438 was the low of today. So there was a narrow 60 point kind of a range for today's trading session. The mid cap and the small cap indices saw the bulk of the action today, as both of them outperformed the benchmark index. Small cap index in particular was up by 1% in today's trading session. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI Bank, Bharti, Reliance, HDFC Bank were some of the losers in today's trading session, while ITC, HDFC Limited, M&M, GAIL, Hindalco, DLF were some of the gainers in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive today. More importantly, the selling pressure that we saw in yesterday's trading session did not continue in today's trading session. During the day, in the early part of the day, we saw some selling pressure. However, the selling pressure was not broad-based, and it was confined to a few stocks. On the Nifty, it was not able to breach even the low of yesterday. So in that sense, the Nifty held up quite well in today's trading session. It has also the support of this rising trend line, which also acted as a support. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that the Nifty has taken support around the 61.8% retracement level of this rise, of this last leg of this rise. Now holding on to these crucial supports, we feel that the Nifty can continue its positive momentum on the upside in the coming trading sessions. However, it is very important for the Nifty to cross above the previous high of 85.35 on the upside, so that a new wave on the upside gets initiated. On the downside, the 61.8% retracement level, which comes to around 84.22, and below that 78.6% retracement area comes to around 83.90. So until and unless 84.22, 83.90 on the downside are held, we shall maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8600 on the upside. On the upside, 8500 and 85.35, which is the all-time high, shall act as crucial resistances, and once that is passed, then 8600 and higher targets are seen on the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. Now tomorrow being the expiry for the November series, we could see some more volatile action in the Nifty. We have been witnessing volatile action in the stocks since past couple of trading sessions. Now tomorrow being the expiry for the November series, we could expect some volatile action in Nifty in tomorrow's trading session. We maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8600 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was comparatively weaker as compared to other indices in today's trading session. It has closed in the negative, majorly on the back of some heavyweights like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank closing in the negative today. So we could see that on the chart of Bank Nifty as well. However, it has held on to the crucial support of this rising support trend line shown over here, and it has not closed below that. It has closed around that, and so we feel that it is around the crucial support area. In the coming trading sessions, if we see the Bank Nifty breaking today's low, then further selling can be expected. However, this support trend line should now act as a crucial support, failing which we could see a correction in the Bank Nifty. However, we feel that this support should hold on to, Bank Nifty should hold on to this support and continue its positive momentum on the upside from tomorrow's trading session. Crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 17,900 and 17,720. On the upside, crucial resistances for Bank Nifty are placed at 18,155 and 18,330. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. On the Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 84.22 and 83.90. and crucial resistances are placed at 8500 and 8535. So that's all for the day. Thank you.